Hello everyone and welcome to a bonus tutorial on doing HTML descriptions for your products. So where I am now is I am on a link called imvu.com/photos/albums. So take that down, imvu.com/photos/album/. So that will bring you to all the albums you've created if you've ever created an album on imvu before. If you haven't, don't worry, you'll just come here and click on create album. You're now going to call this the name of the album you want to keep all your textures. So I'll just call that Dino outfit textures. Now it's very important to set the album privacy to everyone. The description, you can just put something in the description, so textures for Dino outfits, and submit. Obviously you're going to want to click upload photo, choose file. So let's start with the textures for our shirt. So let's go with shirt 1. Remember the album destination is the name of the new album you just created, so click submit. Come back, upload another one. Okay, so once you're done uploading your textures, you can have a look through them in the album. So these are all the textures that we use in our items. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Notepad. So open up Notepad on your system or any text editor that you might have. Now we're going to click on the first image. We're going to hover over the image itself, not at these white borders. We're going to hover over the image itself, right click, then click copy image address. And we're going to come to Notepad and then we're going to type the following: angle brackets open, img src equals to quotation control v quotation close. So let's do that for the second. Then I'm going to go Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy. After I copy, I come back to the product, and that is this Dino top here. Then I'm going to click on add HTML description. Then I just simply paste this and submit. So that's how we do a simple HTML description, just to give put our base textures there for those who want to derive from the item. So let's go ahead and do the same thing for our shorts. This has given us, we just have our simple short textures here. So let's go and do our shoe textures, and that's it. Then you can do the same for the last item. And that's how to make very simple HTML descriptions, just to have your textures there. This is just how you go about it. So I hope you found this video helpful, as you have found the other set of videos in this series helpful. Thank you for watching this series. Be sure to also leave any questions that you might have concerning the tutorials in the comment section of this video. Thank you once again for watching.